Hello everyone, this is Carlo Zhu from LIEBTY Machinery Technology Company. We are here to visit Lonking factory with our colleagues.
This loader I will introduce to you has a standard bucket is 3 cubic meters and can load 5 tons of cargo. This bucket is suitable for a variety of working conditions. According to different work requirements, rock buckets and coal buckets can also be selected to improve efficiency. The standard Weichai engine has a rated power of 162 kilowatts. The engine is powerful and can meet the instantaneous overload requirements during the operation process. The customers has requirements for the engine. We can also change the engine according to the customer's needs. This Lonking 5-ton loader is famous for its great power and efficient performance. It has excellent load-bearing capacity and stability. If you are looking for a reliable and durable loader, this product is definitely your ideal choice. Thank you.